Hey everybody, it's Lillian. I hope that you are doing well. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, hey. And if it's not your first time, if you're a repeat offender, thank you so much for stopping by my channel again. Today we are going to get into a new fragrance and I'm excited about it. It just came in yesterday. I am just too enthused, so I've got to really get into it. If you are interested in an amazing pear fall-like fragrance, then you're going to love this one. I have a new fragrance from Navitus and I'm excited to get into it. All right. So if you're interested to see what I've got, please stick around.
There's so much about me, more than the eye can see, but I'm so glad to be no one to me.
Throughout this channel, you're going to see a few things. You're going to see beauty, lifestyle, fashion, fragrances, all that good stuff. So if that's something you think you'd be interested in, I want you to do me a favor. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, subscribe, make sure that you comment down below and hit that bell so that you can be notified anytime I have an upload. How in the world are you going to know that I've uploaded a video if you don't hit the bell? Make sure that you do that. It's somewhere. It's like here or here. Look for it, okay? I promise you there's a bell there. When you click it, every time I put up a video, you'll know about it, okay? Now on to the video. AI the Great has done an amazing job again. I know this is just the spoiler alert. AI the Great is an amazing YouTuber who talks about fragrances and has an amazing nose. I love how her perspective of how things smell and all that. And this is a guilty pleasure for me. I love talking about fragrances. I love smelling them and all of that. And I like to support as well. So Navitus has done another one. They have supported her again in making sure that she was able to create another fragrance. Now, if you're familiar with AI the Great, then you already know that she created one for Navitus in the past. I believe it was this past summer. Well, that's when I purchased it. I think that's when it came out, around the spring, summertime. And so what it is this was Navitus Ambrosia Imperial. This is the one that she came out with before. As you can see, it is well loved. The dent has been denting. I have been using it, have been loving it. I got it closer to maybe July or so. I did use it a little bit in July and then August, but around after that, I stopped using it because it gives off to me. It is a beautiful banana tropical scent that is perfect for spring and summer. So I don't think that it really works for me in the fall unless I put something with it. You can put maybe a deeper coconut or something like that, something nutty, or maybe cedar type, you know, something like that. I think it may be able to come into the fall, but I haven't reached for it at all in September and this month in October, but I absolutely love it. It's a wonderful fragrance. Can't wait to use it some more. But I have a new one, okay? So this one is the next one from Navitus and AI the Great. This one is called Amourous Intense. Now you see, I'm gonna be honest with you. I wore it today. I'm gonna be honest with you. I wore it today, but as you can see, yes, it's brand new. As soon as it came in the mail, I just said, okay, thank you very much. And so I slid off. Y'all, this is pitiful. I couldn't even take the plastic off. I couldn't wait. So here it is. You have, of course, this massive box. It is so professional looking. I absolutely love that. Of course, the fragrance comes in a beautiful box. You can use this one to put something in. The other one I have like brooches and pins in or something. I think that's what I used the other one for. Of course, it comes just the same. This is my second purchase. Here it is in this beautiful box. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? I love how these fragrances come out. I already took our card out that was on the side. I already took it out and I'm just looking at this thing like, whoa. Now, of course, this can come out if you want to keep your box or whatever. Or if you want to use it for something, you definitely can. This is a beautiful, beautiful presentation. I'm beginning to, now, I'm be honest. I'm gonna be straight up with you. Navitus, I'm beginning to like you. I'm beginning to like you. This is only my second one. I do need to make some other purchases because I've seen that there are some other influencers, other YouTubers that I'd like to purchase their fragrances as well. But you don't just skip past AI the Great. You don't skip past. When she puts one out, you go ahead and get it. Okay. So here it is. It's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it looks like the juice. I can't tell if the juice is green. Ooh, I can't tell if the juice is green or if it is the bottle. Looks like the bottle is green. And here you have the bottle here is kind of yellow. So maybe, I know it's the juice for sure that's yellow. So it may be the same kind of thing where it is green a little bit and the juice may be a little green. What I have noticed, don't worry about the color because this has never stained any of my clothes. I wore this all day. It smells so good. And I still smell it on me. I have not sprayed myself again. I put it back in the box this morning after I sprayed a million sprays. I'm gonna be honest. After I sprayed a million sprays, I put it back in the box and I am still smelling myself. I smell really good still. I probably sprayed myself, I'm gonna be honest, around 6 o'clock this morning. It is now 6:15 in the afternoon. Okay. So this will get you. This is now, it's a skin scent on me. I would say maybe about 7 to 8 hours. I could really smell it. You know, it was in my scent bubble, but now it's really more of a skin scent. So I've got to reach for it. I've got to smell it, but we're talking about 6 hours though. We're not talking about, you know, just a few hours or something like that. Ooh, I'm shaking my stuff up. All right. So let's talk about it. All right. Let's get into these. Let's get into these. It is Moorish, decadent, intoxicating. Okay. Top notes. There's baked pear. There's pear pulp. There's almonds and applesauce. When she said applesauce on her last video, when she was talking about it, I was saying applesauce. What kind of smell is applesauce? And now that I think about it, I can almost taste it when you smell it. I know that sounds weird. Get it and see what I'm talking about. Okay, just get it. You can almost taste it. I promise you. You can taste that applesauce, honey. This is really, really nice. Mid notes or heart notes, you have rum, absolute, ylang ylang, and French coffee. I was saying okay. And then you have base notes. There's cinnamon, caramel, whipped cream, and cane sugar. Okay. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. What I like about this fragrance is that it does kind of give you the feel of the fall. You know, I'm the kind of person that enjoys Starbucks. I enjoy. I'll even take a cold drink in the fall and winter time. You know, and how you have a caramel frappe or a frappuccino or whatever, and you go in there and there's caramel and there's brown sugar, or some people like pumpkin. I'm not a pumpkin person at all, but you know those really nice crisp scents and things like that when you walk into Starbucks. That's what you get here. Now it does say that there is a French coffee. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not getting French coffee at all. Not at all. I don't smell French coffee. Maybe it's to help ground the fragrance a little bit. But I didn't smell that. I didn't smell the coffee at all. Maybe if I layer it or something with another fragrance that has more of a coffee note. I know that I have Deluxe that has a coffee scent. I have some other ones that have one. But in this one, I don't smell the coffee at all. Not even on my skin or during the dry down. I don't smell that. I'm not saying it's not there. I'm sure it is, but I just don't smell it. The rum, the booziness, I can get. I do get that. And then the pear. I didn't think I was going to like pear. Baked pear and pear pulp. I didn't think I was going to like that. But what it does is there's a fragrance that I've smelled in like some hair items, like when you go in the beauty supply store and they might have maybe some edge control or something that has these scents. I promise you, if you get it and you can find the scent, I'm gonna go in there and look and see what it is. I think it's those oils, those oils. I think it may have been from African Pride or something like that, where they had the oils that that you can use maybe 5 different ways, 7 different ways. That's what this puts me in the mind of. The top notes, the pear, the almond, all of that. That's what it smells like. But it's not hair store ish. It's not beauty supply ish. It is definitely a step above. This is like 5 stars type. Oh, I'm spraying it again. Okay, my whole room is gonna smell like it. It's sweet, but it's not immature. You know what I'm saying? It's sweet, but it doesn't give off an immature type smell. This is beautiful. AI, you have done it again. I am just so glad that I was able to get my hands on it. As soon as you said that we could purchase it, I went on and did the pre-purchase thing, and I was able to get it on the 24th. I was able to get it on the 24th, and I'm really, really proud of the work that you're doing. I am forever a fan, but also I am so happy to be able to support you and your endeavors with these fragrances, because this is a winner. I feel like that, of course, is heavy. You get 100, I want to say 125, I believe. That was the same thing. I need to look at something. Yeah, you do get 125. This is 4.2 fluid ounces. 4.2 fluid ounces, 125 mil. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. It's a lot of product in here, and I believe that it's worth the price point. To be able to kind of, and I haven't met her, but to be able to support someone and get a fragrance like this one of this caliber is like second to none. This is absolutely beautiful. You were right to put your name on it, to put your nose on it. And AI the Great, you have done an amazing job with this one. So congratulations. If you get a chance, I can't even say get this one over this one. I'm in love with this one for the spring. I'm in love with this one for the summer, but this is a beautiful addition to my fall and winter fragrances. So is this going to be added to my tray? Absolutely. I told you, those of you who have been watching me, you know that I'll try to do a tray every month. And it's like my as the month goes, my tray starts changing or things are added. I don't take things away, but they're added. So this is a beautiful, beautiful addition. This is sweet. This is sassy. This gives you a little bit of oomph if you want to have a sweet fragrance, but then you know that whipped cream and that caramel, and even with the coffee, I think that it kind of grounds it and makes it a little bit more serious. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. You really need to get your nose on it and go ahead and support AI the Great and Navitus. I think this is a wonderful niche fragrance. This is not one of those fragrances where you can just walk in the store and just get a whiff of it and spray yourself down. And no, go ahead and get it. Okay, go ahead and get it and support if you can. And I think I know you will not be disappointed. Well, that ends my review of the Amourous Intense. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I want to know about it. I want you to comment down below. I want you to tell me, are you planning on picking it up? What do you think about these notes that I shared with you? Tell me something down in the comments, okay? Also, if you would, I want you to make sure that you thumbs up this video. That really pushes my videos through. I want people to be able to try some different fragrances, to be able to try some different things, okay? Also, please make sure I have put AI the Great's information in there. If you found me, then I already know that you know who she is. If you don't know who she is, make sure that you subscribe to her channel. Begin to watch some of her videos as well. This is a masterpiece. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel as well as hit the bell so that you can be notified anytime I have an upload. How in the world are you going to know that I've uploaded a video if you don't hit the bell? Okay, you've got to hit the bell. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so that you will know every time I've put a video up. All right. Thanks again so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye.